Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to open any image from URL in Photopea software. So let's start it. At first, open your Photopea software. Now you can see, open any image from URL. Now going to the Chrome browser. Now click. Now we select from. Now click from search bar and search bar from text from image. Now keyboard press from enter. Now click from any picture. Now choose from picture. Now click from mouse right button option the picture. Now we copy image from address. Now click. Now we back the Photopea software. Now we go into the file menu option, then click. Now click from open more option. Now select from open from URL. Now click from mouse right button option in the URL bar. Now click from paste option. Now click from OK. That is. Now you can see open any image in from URL Photopea software is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.